Hi, this is Kat, and today I have a walking video for Blue Skies and Tamales. So I just finished filming shoeshine videos with Francisco, and when I got here, it was almost 11 a.m. It was so warm, and now it's cloudy, and I think it's gonna rain. So I decided to film a video just before leaving this part of the city. So today is 7th of June. The temperature, I'm not sure about it, but maybe 80 Fahrenheit. That's 30, maybe 30 Celsius, something like that. And the time is 2 p.m. I wanted to buy an ice cream and maybe I'll get one before it starts raining, but I wanted to make a video, showing you the area. I always like coming to this park. It's so quiet and there's so many people using it, so I'm just gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here. We can see people here eating their ice creams. In a pigeon park over there, so many pigeons. Another sign of danger, poison, and a rat sign, so maybe it's just to control a plague of rats and so many pigeons. I hope they don't eat the poison. And so we have a fountain that is working. It's starting to feel cooler, and I don't know, I feel kind of happy, hungry and thirsty, but happy. This time I made sure to bring water to drink because it's been so warm. And let's just walk over here. You can see the water is so green. We can see now that due to the rain, the grass has grown. How do you say in English when you have like a field full of cows? But in this case, will be a field full of pigeons. I don't know what's the matter with me and the pigeons, but I like them. We're kind of zigzagging here, just walking a bit, enjoying the afternoon. Yeah, life is good right now, so I'm happy, and I really hope I finish filming this video before it starts raining, because I don't want my camera to get ruined. But let's just go over there. Let's go over here. Let me know in the comments, please, what kind of videos you would like me to make. Sometimes I feel like I have to be more like like informative maybe, but I don't know, does this depend on the type of the channel? Oh no, it started raining now. Oh no, I have to cover my microphone. And what are we gonna do now? We're just gonna cross over here. Yeah. Oh, now it's starting to rain more. I really like the smell of the rain and the wet air. Um, ah, Summers are so rainy here, like they're so hot, like super hot during the day, and then in the afternoons it starts raining. Yeah, it's like a clock. Oh no! Where we're gonna go? We're gonna go over here. This may be a short video. I'm gonna find a place to cover from the rain, maybe get like a quick bite or something. What? Oh no, my camera is getting wet. Maybe I should buy a little umbrella for my camera. Well, I hope you like this little short video. I wish I could show you around more. Maybe I will. Well, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you so much for all the support. The channel is growing little by little and that makes me so happy. So if you have any recommendations of ideas or comments, let me know in the comment section, please. Okay, take care. Bye.